Sometimes when we are solving equations in trigonometry, we must first begin by isolating the trigonometric function. So in our first example here, we have 2 cosine theta is equal to -1. You'll notice that the cosine theta is not by itself on the left-hand side or isolated. So what we need to do, since 2 is multiplied by cosine, we need to divide both sides by divide both sides by 2 to isolate that cosine. So we get cosine of theta is equal to -1/2. Now we can take a moment and we can look at our unit circle and ask, well, where is the cosine equal to -1/2? Well, remember cosine is our x value. So that is happening at the two angles of 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. So our answers will be 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. For our next example, we have a cosecant. Now, it's tempting to flip everything upside down right now. But again, all of the things that we want to do in trigonometry, you have to have an isolated trigonometric function first. So the first thing we need to do is get this cosecant by itself. Then we can use our reciprocal functions. So we'll begin by subtracting 2 from both sides. And then we will divide both sides by the square root of 3. Now, it would be tempting here to rationalize this square root, but don't rationalize anything until you have done the reciprocal and you have either a sine, a cosine, or a tangent. So cosecant is the reciprocal or the upside down of sine. So we'll reciprocal the left by making it a sine, and we will reciprocal the right by flipping the fraction over. Now you can see we have a unit circle number of sine theta is negative square root of 3 over 2. If we go to our unit circle, cosine sine, where is the y value? Negative square root of 3 over 2. Well, that is at 4 pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. So here's the y on this guy, and here's the y on this guy. So make sure that you get those in the right places. So 4 pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3 are the answers for this question.